rushing, but ooh, my background. You know how it is, like when you're like trying to head to the airport. Yeah, this is me rushing. But we're going Bimini. I don't know. I'm rushing, so my husband is gonna like burst in any minute and be like, "Oh, like I looking if you find her," and be like, "Babe, bring ya up." So yeah, guys, this is my little fit, my go yard, and I'll see you guys when we get to the airport because, like I said, we're rushing, and I really shouldn't be doing this video because we're rushing. Excited to go to Bimini, babe? Yeah, man. He always chill about everything, y'all. Like, no matter what, he just, I don't know. He just get excited sometimes, but he just always just chill. Always cool, calm, and collected. My man. We made it to the airport and we're just waiting for our flight to get here. My husband don't like listen. Like he just forget everything this morning and he was on my case about, oh, you need to be ready, this and that, but ain't had his ID. Forget to lock the car. All kind of dates. But you know, man, they don't listen, so yeah. But guys, like I say, we're just waiting on our flight to we're in Bimini, period. So we made it in Bimini. Yeah, I'm so excited. They're getting the bags. It's very islandy, you know. Like I say, the Bahamas is 700 island and keys, all plus. And I originally from Nassau, which is the capital and city, but I live in Freeport now. So yeah, I'm gonna have a lit time in Bimini. Does it look like what? 8 Mile? I don't think so. I don't think it's like 8 Mile. What do you mean? The one to the, like when you first was coming and you make a, what is it? So that. Okay guys, so we need to be more interactive and my stuff. Yes. But okay guys, we're on a ferry and we're taking a ferry to North Bimini. Because currently we're at South Bimini and the hotel is on North Bimini. So I'll take you guys on this ferry ride with me. And hubby looks like he's been through war, literally. You think he, look at him. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when we get to South Bimini.
Make a distance, see how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen, she say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fleet, I don't do back ends and fronts. No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his science. Do it. Niggas be feeling.
We made it in beautiful Bimini. Currently waiting for our room to be ready. But we're outside just exploring. Hubby right here.
Don't water wet. Don't water.
They'll call me when the room is ready, but I'll just be showing y'all clips of everything we see whilst we're walking around, okay? Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
Later, y'all. Okay, this is the iconic pool with the little good morning. The swim up bar. It's like a edge to edge pool. Oh, nice. I would love this in my backyard. It's so peaceful and serene. Like, it's not super crowded. It's just nice, you know? Nice and clean and calm. Ready to relax, Mr. Dollar?
Yeah, man.
This is nice. It's so beautiful here, y'all. Like, it's really, really beautiful. Awesome. And of course, getting lit. I don't know how lit you can get off this one there, but I know I can be a little tipsy. Okay, we just came from like the marina, and it's really chill, you know. Like I said, it's not that much gas here, I guess, so it's just pretty chill. We had a little drinky drink, so I'm feeling kind of nice and cool. But yeah, we just vibing out, just walking around, see what we could do a little later. The marina is behind us. I'll be to the next to me. I mean, to the left of me. Yeah. What?
I thought I'm walking them up. $90.
90 for a golf cart. I must run out golf cart from 3 to however long, because it probably ain't be that long. For $90? Where they do that at Bimini? It's giving me like Miami vibes. So y'all wanna know what's ghetto? Ghetto is having to wait until 4 p.m. to check into your room when you're paying for the entire day. The day starts at 12 a.m. My room needs to be ready when I reach. Like, what's up with that? I really hate that policy of hotels. And then on top of that, you want me to check out early when it's time for me to check out. I need to check out at 11, but my room is ready to check in at 4. I am so sorry for chewing gum in y'all faces, but yeah. So we just wait until our room is ready. It's like, what time is it, babe? It's 11:05. And supposedly our room isn't ready until 4. Which is crazy. But yeah. We're just here chilling. I just can't wait to be in the room. I just want to change and go in the pool. That's all I want to do. And enjoy our little mini vacation. Okay guys, we're headed to our room. Babe, do the honors. Let me just turn the camera around. As soon as you walk in, the bathroom. This is the shower. Nice. Oh yeah, we got on the light now. On the light now? Oh yeah. On the light. Towel to the top. That's a cute little rain shower now. Bathroom. Babe, it's one more. Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. You got you some. A little balcony. Oh, I don't like how all they switch our room. We're supposed to get another view. I don't like this view. No, I wanted my scene. I had a beach view. Oh, y'all. I know I look so greasy right now, but I'm tired. But your girl's gonna hit the pool soon. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm currently are, but we took a nap. Me and Abby love to take naps, so that's what we did, and it's now, what time is it? It's 2:04. Now me and my class self, I woke up before him, took a shower, and got ready for dinner, which is at 5, but everyone loves a proactive queen. So that's what I decided to do. And now I'm doing my hair. I think I want to do a little claw clip moment. But you don't have no claw clip. So we're going to make it work. I'm really trying to find a way to set up the camera so I get like do a little hair something, chit chat with y'all in between. But yeah, oh, and this is my leave out, but I do a little braid so I could get like a little crimpy because you can see the hair is like wavy. So yeah, that's where we're at today, girls. Okay, I'll be looking in the mirror as I'm doing my hair. Look crazy. So I know I look crazy now, but I just like even everything out. Yo, I am so happy you bought wigs making, well, not even you bought wigs, you know, a natural look, the flush sewing, giving hints to your hair look is coming back, because your girl is, I was tired of the closure, I was tired of the fishnet vibes, you know, we back and we rolling with your leave out, even though that was how I leave out looking fried. But yeah, like sewing is where it's at, you know, like I love the tape-ins. So I think I'm gonna try tape-ins too before the year is out. I haven't tried them as yet. But yeah, y'all, I'm really trying to figure out how I do my hair. I really want to do like a little cute moment with some tendrils out. You know, y'all gonna see it's gonna come together. But yeah, life has been lifing, you know. This trip was like not planned, really. Well, actually, I won a competition like during Nurses Month. Because I'm a nurse, yeah, I'm a nurse. Yeah, I won a competition during Nurses Month, and it was yeah, and it was for a 2-day stay at Royal Resort Hilton. Okay, looking cute. I don't know. Do I have any edge control here? Yeah, I want to stay at Royal Resort Hilton, and you know, I didn't know when I was gonna do it, but I said that now is the perfect time because you know, hubby is starting his journey in school, and I have a few things that I'm doing too. Like July is gonna be crazy, and you know, I just want us to have a little R&R time and, you know, reconnect before it all gets busy. So yeah, like a little romantic getaway. You know, hubby bought the tickets so we could come here from Freeport, and you know, we're gonna vibe out and just enjoy each other, because that's what you could never stop doing in a marriage, enjoying each other. And I thoroughly need to enjoy my husband. I really don't know what to do. Like if we really talking sense, and I'm not wearing this. This is just something I have to throw on. But y'all, this is hard. No, I don't want this one. I don't know what to do with my hair, and I hate it. I normally don't go bare like this. I'm like more of a clean, straight, silky straight hair, or I even like voluminous curls, but I was saying this giving me island. I need to put on some lip liner and lip gloss or lipstick tonight. Y'all, BRB, let me get some stuff sorted out so I can get my hair in a jewelry box. Is that my style? Oh, especially like for people who, you know, like to have accessories. I don't know if I want to wear. I'm wearing white. I don't know if I want to wear gold or silver. Because I have. Y'all, I love these earrings. I got these in Russian over. So freaking cute. They kind of remind me of like something like Bottega Veneta would do. Actually, this is cute. You see, let me put it on too. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? What y'all think? I like it though. I kind of like it. Nice silver. Because I don't know, I guess I go on my David German pieces and my tennis bracelet, but I don't know if I feel in silver. I feel in gold. I'm feeling a bit golden. Actually, no, I like the gold. Like this giving me a moment. It's giving me a moment in time. It's giving me, you know, I might have to wet this so I can like cinch up into one. I like it. I like it. I like the look. It's cute. It's Baecation. It's Bimini. Yeah. Okay, guys. Change of plans. We was getting ready to go to, you know, little dress up thing, but I starved and I need to eat now. I didn't eat from like what, maybe 7 something. I need to eat. It's now like, what time is it? It's 3:32 and I can't wait another minute. So yeah, but fit is this green dress jacket because I always cold in there. It's freezing, by the way. And y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the bag. Always getting this on vacation with me because it's the vacation bag. I'll be in the back getting ready. I don't want to show you all my man goods. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we get down to the restaurant. Okay, hubby is ready. You know, it's just something like, I'm starving, y'all. Like, maybe tomorrow evening I'll be able to dress up. But this one, he actually is a diva. Took quite a while to get ready. But yeah, it's so quiet here, babe. You sure to say like, gee, it's very quiet. We went through a little secret elevator. I don't know where it took us, but we're here. The upper deck. His wings was not good. That's why he said it's cool. Mine was busted. I had some Asian fusion wings. But now we're gonna get some sushi. I don't know. Easy. There's no getting no way but me. That's a big. Yeah, so we just checked out the top floor where the pool is. Still touring the hotel space, but it's pretty cool. You know, it's a beautiful view. I think we could check it out tomorrow. Zoom out. So guys, we are at the sushi bar and we had a couple drinks in and a shot, so forgive me if I had a little lip, but let me show you what we're eating. My man is very much cultural. I'm going to get me what big one? Huh? You know what? She wants something like yours. What's the name of it? Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys can see the roll. Like this, like the black thing is seaweed and obviously the inner piece is like plantain. Or no, plantain. You know you ought to say plantain. Okay guys, day 2 in Bimini and we're getting ready to head to the rooftop pool. hubby. And we bring the bell out. Period. We got our little rum on deck. Well, not rum. They drinking beer and on my phone. And I am drinking Bel Ale. Rosé to be exact. So yeah, we're just chilling or whatnot. Got my bathing suit, shorts. You all know the vibe. It's my vacation bag. Cute little netted bag. But yeah, we planning to turn up. Hopefully it's lit like how it was yesterday. Yesterday we didn't go because we was, you know, tired and hungry. Thank you. Yeah, I am.
Make sure to get my man in the bargain. He's the hot star right now.
Period. Ooh, just lighten though. Loving the lighting in this area. This area is just so. Let me show y'all. This is wonderful. We're going to the adult only one. This one's there.
To Bahamas. Lost to Bahamas.
Why you say I did nothing for you?
Never do anything you want me to do. Somebody got you, got you. No, I don't think that it's you. Why you say I did nothing for you? Never do anything you want me to do. Maybe another time, maybe another life. My life, I'm not. Maybe it's nothing.
I finished a whole bottle of Bel Ale. Guys, I am a little tipsy. This is like the rest of the bottle of the Bel Ale. And it's raining. And the thing is, we were actually supposed to go into Bimini, like to do like tours and stuff like that after we came from this rooftop bar, but oh my gosh. But guys, it's raining. Kiss me when me mad. Type to cop me diamonds, he can miss me with that bag. What? Yes, you do. I'm just trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, baby, closer. And babe, in the pool. Yo, look at the view though. Excuse my hair, but this view is everything. And then there's like a little bar over there. You see, monkey business. Yeah. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 in Bimini. You know, yesterday we got a little turn, so you know, didn't much footage didn't go down. It was lit. You know, we had a nice time at the pool. Food. We was drunk. But yeah, today is day 3 and okay, let me show you my little cute fit. Jeans. I have my denim jacket. Sorry the lighting ain't good. Because I'm always cold. White bodysuit and some cute like printed shorts. Very cute. And then the Tory Burch. So I think this is the Mellowest. But yeah. So I don't know. My hair ain't given today. My hair isn't given today, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So today we're actually getting off of the resort and gonna explore Bimini, you know, see what the rest of Bimini is giving, because the resort is just one thing, you know. We're gonna see if we can, get a little ride around town, see what Bimini culture is really giving, because every island in the Bahamas is unique, and every island gives their own thing, so we're gonna see how it go. I need to put on, I'm looking at the view right now, I need to put on a lip. I don't know. Oh, my skin look dry too. Y'all, the sun been doing me in, because your girls stay indoors, so yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna hit you guys up in a few. One thing I'm gonna do is have a brown lip liner and a clear gloss on. But yeah, guys, we're just here chilling in the lobby. We're actually waiting for our Bimini Uber. We were trying to rent a golf cart, but everything is sold out, and I guess it's because it's the 4th of July weekend. Happy soon to be Independence America. I think it's tomorrow because today's July 3rd. I'm just waiting for the guy to come so he can take us around. But I'm getting kind of hungry, so I don't know if I can wait until lunchtime. I think it's like, what time is it? It's 11:14, and child, I need to eat. Baby girl gotta eat. So yeah, y'all like my hair? Like I did I don't know why my voice sounds so raspy. I tried to do the claw clip thing again, but it ain't giving today for some reason. But yeah, we'll hit you guys back up when we get to wherever we're going, because I don't know where we're going. Hey babe, hubby's here. Always walking up and down, but yeah. Thanks babe, you sent me something?
Yeah, man.
So guys, we made it to Radio Beach, me and babe. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Anyway, yeah, the sun is brutal. The walk up here was brutal because the sun is brutal. Babe, literally my lotion is melting off my skin. Yeah, so we really put this place to the name CJC.
That's no business.
Like yeah, our trip has come to an end, so we're just chilling on Radio Beach for now. Sitting down, trying to get some tropical breeze off the ocean, but gonna order some food, chill out, and vibe out until it's time to catch our ferry. We're on North Bimini, and the ferry takes us to South Bimini, where the airport is. And yeah. So gorgeous. Our trip has come to an end, but the trip was what it intended for. We relaxed a lot. We enjoyed each other's company. It was just a nice, relaxing trip. We had a little fun, drank a little rum, had a little turn time, and yeah, we really enjoyed ourselves. We just wanted to be in each other's company with no distractions and just love on each other, and we did that. So you don't want none of this, cause man a big dog. You're not just a sing song, and everywhere me go, come you know the enemy, them a free, and you know them not. People are bad. The walk. I hope you guys can hear the golf carts going by, and we're the only ones walking. But yeah, we're walking to catch. Huh? Yeah, you can see like right there, and then right over there's the beach.
Yeah?
That's crazy. But yeah, we're just walking to catch a ferry to get to the airport. That's in South Bimini. That's literally like right across the water. You could swim now if I could swim. But we have suitcases, so we can't swim. But yeah, guys, it's been cool, Bimini. Back home, gonna tidy up the apartments, and yeah, I have a little mock interview, so I'm gonna do that. around 4, but pretty much overall Bimini, I don't know, I guess because I'm a local, I feel like it's more of a tourist attraction, which is fine, you know, we got to get our tourist coins, so that's our number one industry, but it was okay. It was relaxing, like I said, but I'm home now and I'm gonna freshen up, clean up the apartment, and just relax and enjoy me and my hubby and Coco, my little pooch. So y'all gotta catch me in the next one. Bye.